goes the weasel. I hope you know this one. All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. Yeah, look it up. It's a cute one. And so we're doing a lot with that hooked bowing. We're starting with that pickup note. We are in 3/4. That's one of the first things that we should look at. So we're on the G, the D, and the A string. So we're doing a lot here. So first finger, A. So that first finger on the G is an A, D, D, E, F, A, F, D, A, D, D, E, G, F, D, A, D, D, E, F, 4, F, D, F, A, B, B, E, G, F, D. So in that third line, third and fourth measure, do F, 4, F, D, F, open A, because then we're going to that B. Cool, let's pluck it first. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 4, 2, D, F, open A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Cool. So make sure that your bow is going the right direction, especially for the string crossings. Down, up, down, up, down. So going from that D to that first finger on your G string. So let's start up bow on our G string, then to open D. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1,